how to make your own USB digital multimeter, AC, DC power, and USB compatible. I have a step-up voltage regulator with both in and output display, the green screen. I have a toggle switch to switch from my input voltage to the output voltage. I have a turn dial knob to adjust the voltage, and it goes up to like from 5 to 30 volts. I also have an output USB. I have some gator clips too, so if I wanted to plug in and charge up a car battery or power up another device, I can do that too. I have to be plugged in AC power though in order to charge a car battery, but I can power up any device. I have a continuity tester for my test probes. So if I was to connect my testing probes into my multimeter, and if I wanted to check for broken wires or just test a fuse, I can do that, and you'll get the buzzer and the blue LED indicator. I can also take the testing probes and plug them to where my multimeter goes at, just to show you. And if I wanted to test something like a battery, a car battery, anything, as you can see, my multimeter, it reads 0, just like the yellow multimeter do. So I have the same reading. As soon as I connect the battery, you will see it gives you the same reading. So that goes to show you that my multimeter is accurate. And if I wanted to keep it hands-free, I can also use my gator clips with my multimeter also. Plug in right there. Connect the negative to the negative, positive to the positive. And as you can see, I have a reading of 4 volts. This here is my toggle switch to my multimeter. So just like now I got it switched to the left. So that allows me to test like car batteries, you know, any other battery that I may want to test. But if I switch it to the middle, it's kind of like it's off because it's in neutral, but it's not. But when I switch it to the right, then you'll see the battery voltage on my multimeter. So this here is my multimeter voltage. And the blue switch is the power off, on and off switch. This here is my buzzer and also the LED indicator. I have 3 inputs on here, which is the USB-C type charger and the USB-A type charger. And that's how I'm able to recharge my multimeter with those 2 inputs. I also have a 3rd input, which is a micro input, the B type, and that's for my voltage regulator. I have an on and off power switch also for my voltage regulator and my 5-volt power modulator. And on that modulator, if you can see it, it's 4 LED indicators right there. That's the battery meter to my multimeter. Press 1 time to turn it on, 2 times to turn it off. I also have a 5-volt out USB right here, the white one. And the black one is a spare battery, a backup battery USB. So if I had a bigger battery with a larger capacity, I can plug it up right here. And it'll be connected parallel to this battery. So it won't do no harm. So there it is. How to make your own do-it-yourself multimeter. Like, share, subscribe.